Hi there, and welcome to Gadget Babe. In this Amazon Favorites video, we will deep dive into Wi-Fi's limitations and the perfect tech solutions for better Wi-Fi. We will present for you the two types of Wi-Fi boosters and explain their differences, as well as our top 5 Amazon must-have selection of Wi-Fi boosters, because it is hard to find the best Wi-Fi extender these days. So let's get straight into the video. Whether we are searching the web, streaming our favorite shows on Netflix, working from home, or helping our kids with their virtual schooling, Wi-Fi is a quintessential part of everyday life that we rely on constantly. With Wi-Fi taking on such a vital role in our lives, it is becoming more important that our Wi-Fi strength can handle all our devices. Unfortunately, Wi-Fi has limitations as to how strong a wireless signal can be. Things like thick walls, nearby Bluetooth devices, baby monitors, metal and concrete structures, and even microwaves can affect the strength of your Wi-Fi connection. This is because your router and these Bluetooth devices use the same unlicensed frequency spectrum, the 2.4 GHz frequency band or the 5 GHz frequency band. The 2.4 GHz frequency band gives you slower speeds at a longer range, while the 5 GHz gives faster speeds at a shorter range. Both of these bands have their limits, as the more devices you put on one band, the slower your Wi-Fi will operate. Thankfully, there is a simple solution that you can install in your home to speed up your Wi-Fi, called a Wi-Fi booster. A Wi-Fi booster, which can take the form of either a Wi-Fi repeater or a Wi-Fi extender, is a device that helps amplify your Wi-Fi signal if you have issues connecting in certain areas in the home or have slow speeds altogether. There are two main types of Wi-Fi boosters we'll be exploring today, each of which boost your Wi-Fi signal in different ways. A. Wi-Fi extender. A Wi-Fi extender is a form of Wi-Fi booster that extends your main router's signal to another location in the home. This form of booster is great for extending the Wi-Fi signal in hard-to-reach areas or dead zones, like the basement or any rooms that are far away from the router. The Wi-Fi extender works separately from your router and can be both wirelessly connected or wired. By grabbing the existing signal of the main router and rebroadcasting that signal from a new location, the Wi-Fi extender acts as the middleman of your home's Wi-Fi. Once you've plugged the extender into an electric socket, you will have a new Wi-Fi channel to connect your devices on. Extenders are great as there is a lower chance of the device being interfered, since it can connect via an Ethernet cable to your router. Plus, with many options on the market offering dual band range, you can essentially double the amount of power your Wi-Fi can have. B. Wi-Fi repeater. A Wi-Fi repeater is a different form of Wi-Fi booster that, instead of building onto an existing Wi-Fi network with a new channel, a Wi-Fi repeater extends the range of the existing Wi-Fi network. Repeaters work by grabbing the Wi-Fi signal and elongating the range of that signal by rebroadcasting it to more areas in the home. Extenders work more to amplify and boost your signal, while repeaters are better for already strong Wi-Fi signals that are simply having a hard time reaching certain areas. A large benefit of Wi-Fi repeaters is that they generally do not require a wired connection, so you can have more freedom to place the repeater away from the router. But experts say to be aware that some repeaters can weaken your signal, as the repeater could potentially stretch your signal too thin throughout the house. C. The differences between repeaters and extenders. Before you make a purchase on your new Wi-Fi booster, it is important to know the differences between them in the way that they boost your Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi repeaters boost your Wi-Fi by broadening your range by joining into your existing Wi-Fi signal. An extender does not join into your existing Wi-Fi signal, but instead extends your Wi-Fi signal by creating a new one. Wi-Fi repeaters are better for Wi-Fi signals that are already strong, because if not, they can lower the strength of your Wi-Fi, even though they broaden the signal range. Wi-Fi extenders are great for both extending the range of the Wi-Fi signal as well as boosting the strength of the Wi-Fi. It is important to access your Wi-Fi and see what fits best for your home. D. Our top 5 Wi-Fi boosters. It is time to shop around and take a look at the top 5 Wi-Fi boosters on the market today. These ones you found on Amazon will help you choose between the best Wi-Fi boosters in 2021. 5. Coming in at number 5, we have the TP-Link AC1200 dual band range extender. This is one of the best Wi-Fi range extenders in 2021 to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones in your house. You can use the 2.4 GHz band to send email and browse the web at 300 megabytes per second speed, and the 5 GHz band for gaming and HD streaming at 870 megabits per second speed. One amazing feature is the Smart Signal Indicator that works to help you find the best location to place your Wi-Fi repeater. Get the TP-Link AC1200 today and enjoy flawless Wi-Fi. 4. At number 4, we have the Aigital Wi-Fi Booster Dual Band with 1200 megabits per second speed and 4 external antennas. This is really one of the best Wi-Fi repeaters, ideal for 4K streaming and online gaming. The repeater also comes with 4 antennas, so you can count on a strong broadening of your Wi-Fi coverage. And it is, of course, compatible with all internet boxes and routers. 3. The Linksys RE6500 dual band Wi-Fi extender is an amazing dual band Wi-Fi booster for your home or office, with 4 Ethernet ports and up to 300 megabytes per second speed. Even though it is not as compact and discreet as the other ones, the Linksys RE6500 can eliminate dead zones and can ensure Wi-Fi coverage up to 10,000 square feet. Plus, it works with all Wi-Fi routers and ISP gateways, so you don't have to worry about compatibility. For an affordable price and so many 5-star reviews, you will certainly want to check this Linksys Wi-Fi extender out. 2. And number 2, we have the inexpensive and simplistic NetGear Wi-Fi Booster Range Extender EX2700 with up to 300 megabytes per second speed. This extender has a simple setup, which makes it great for those who are not tech savvy. Simply press the WPS button on your router for a fast 5-minute setup, and also use the NetGear Wi-Fi Analyzer app to check network status and signal strength. This extender covers areas up to 600 square feet and can connect 10 devices, so the entire family can be online without any interruptions. 1. Our number 1 pick has certainly earned its rank. The NetGear Wi-Fi Range Extender EX6120 is the perfect Wi-Fi booster, as it allows you to improve your Wi-Fi speed and range up to 1200 megabits per second, areas of 1200 square feet, and connects up to 20 devices. It works effortlessly with a one-press setup and connects to any Wi-Fi router. Its sleek design makes it barely noticeable, and here again, you can use the Wi-Fi Analyzer app for optimal location. At an amazing low price, you won't want to miss out on this one. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of Wi-Fi boosters, and if you'll be buying one for your home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Gadget Babe for more amazing content like this, and make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss out the next time we post a video. Thanks for watching!